Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the CAD staking feature.
In this video, we will go into detail on how to load the CAD drawing fields, perform point staking, line staking, as well as how to record and export staking data.
Firstly, let's learn how to load a CAD drawing field.
The CAD staking software supports loading CAD drawings files in both DWG and DXF5 formats. At the bottom of the field's list interface, you can quickly access the root directory of your phone's internal storage by clicking on different buttons to search for and load the CAD drawing fields. Next, let's learn how to use the point staking feature. In the software interface, after clicking the Select Point button, you can choose any point from the drawing. Once successfully selected, a green flag marker will appear on the graphic, indicating the position of the design point. At this point, the software will automatically calculate the distance between the saved point and the design point, as well as the direction of movement to facilitate accurate staking out.
Next, let's move on to learning the line staking feature.
In the interface, after clicking the Select Line button, you can choose any learning laminate from the graphic. Support is provided from selecting polyline, line, anchor, circle, and spline curves, among others. Once successfully selected, the start and end points of the line element will be marked with the start and end, indicating a successful selection. The software will calculate the distance between your current saved position and the next point on the selected line element, as well as the distances to the start and the end points based on your actual mirrored coordinates. This feature is particularly suitable for scenarios that require process staking out linear shapes.
Finally, let's introduce how to record and export staking data.
On the main interface, click on Rect Point Library to enter the recording interface. All recorded data will be stored together with the data from the No Point Staking feature. You can click the Filter button to view data within a specific range. If you need to export the details of the record, simply click the Export button and the system will generate a detailed rect field for convenient use later on. Special tip: if you open the feature and all the buttons are white, making it difficult to see the text on the interface, please try turning off the dark mode on your phone, as this may be the case of the issue. That concludes the content of this video tutorial. I hope it has helped you to better apply the CAD staking feature.
If you find this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.